Hello guys and welcome to Instant Nerd. Today I will be showing you how to link PSN PlayStation to Steam. Okay, so first what you want to do is you want to open up Steam and then you want to log in, and then after logging in you want to go to library. And then you want to select from the games on the left side a game that is part of PSN. So after selecting the said game, you want to launch it by clicking on play. After that, this would pop up, and then this screen would appear for connecting your Steam account to your PlayStation network account. So as you can see here, you want to click on link account. And then after that, this tab would open on your browser, and then you want to sign in to your PlayStation. And if you don't have a PlayStation account, you just want to click on create an account. So that is how you link PSN PlayStation to Steam. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.